Look, Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki is saying that we already in a technical depression. Now, what does that really mean? Stay tuned and I'm going to let you know.
Malcolm Garvey, Huey.
It's Gangsta
Malcolm
Grills,
Garvey,
Grills,
Huey. Life is like a movie.
Free
I live, I die, I organize. Everything I do's revolutionize. I build what's good for the whole damn hood. Study G's like these, really think you should.
Look, Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad Poor Dad, the author of the book, said we already in a technical depression. Now, I'm going to quote him verbatim. And I'm including the link in there, so please check that out. And go and drop me some comments in the section. Let me know what you think about it. He said it happened market crash without inflation going up. But the thing is, it's already coming down. If the economy is only growing at 2%, that is a technical depression. So people are watching, the stock market is up, everybody is happy in all of this, but it's inverting upon us. Just recently, the euro dollar curve inverted. So this one is going to happen again. And this is why I'm saying to people, because I'm a gold, silver, and Bitcoin bug, is a good time to get gold and silver. That's what it's adjusted on 4 different assets to making it through the crash. Now the first one, I'm a big component, gold. You know what I'm saying? We already had to talk about that. Check episode 6 of the grassroots financial literacy. I talk about this. But now gold has been used to establish currencies, is accepted as the one universal currency, and has been used for centuries. They can't print more of it, and out of thin air like paper money is extremely stable during worldwide economic events. And the brother, silver. Now it can be used to hedge against inflation. Now it's heavily used in the industry, especially in the production of solar panels. So it's used heavily in new technology that's emerging. Now it's very important component in vehicles, electrical control units. And I'm going to give you a list of where you can get these things from. Barrick Gold, Newmont, Wheaton, Precious Metals are just some of the few. Now with Bitcoin, if you know I'm a little iffy about Bitcoin. You know what I'm saying? It's not a security. I'm going to say this again, it's a cryptocurrency. The way y'all believe it is still not going to make it a security. Now, I'm a little iffy because like I said before, it's not a security, so it's not backed by anything, no governing body. But it's considered a new gold. So take it with a grain of salt from me. You know what I'm saying? I'm not buying into the actual rush of it all. Now, another thing is I can touch it. Real estate, both physical and the real estate investment trust. I covered them. REITs. They're commonly referred to. I've covered them. The different type of REITs. There's a lot of them. I covered them. I think back on episode like 18. On the Grass Financial Roots Literacy. No, it was actually 15. I remember now. They're required to pay the income to stakeholders in the form of regular dividends. Now, make sure to check out episode 15 for additional information on that. And I'm going to have a couple links at the bottom. Check them out. Comment, like, subscribe, share. Look, man, it's a new year 2022. Also, let me know what your own plans is. Let me know what the New Year's revolution is. Resolutions are. Checkmate 007 out.
I die, I organize. Everything I do's revolutionize. I build what's good for the whole damn hood. Study